Okay, there is a saying that some practitioners, legal practitioners, have about the divorce bankruptcy combo. And I have mentioned it to people that I know, and they thought it was kind of funny, but it's a real thing, and so I thought I should address it briefly. It refers to people who are having challenges in their marriage, challenges in their finances, and they try to either hang on or ignore the issues through the holiday season. They may go overboard in gift buying to bolster the feeling in the family, or because they're guilty because things are breaking down. But in any event, they spend more than they can reasonably afford. They make it through the holidays, they put a smile on their face, and then January comes, the bills come, the holidays are over, they're facing their spouse, they're facing their bills, everything comes to a head, and you get the combo, the bankruptcy divorce combo. It's not uncommon, it is a real thing, and if you are having trouble financially and you need to file bankruptcy, that's one thing. If you are going towards divorce, that's another thing. There's no reason to compound the misery and do everything together. You take care of one, consult somebody about the bankruptcy issues and see if one party can file and both parties don't have to ruin their credit and file. If you can adjust the debts in some way and work that part out, you may be able to save the marriage. If the marriage is not salvageable, then deal with the finances separately, deal with the marriage. As I talk about on the tax issue, where you are on December 31 makes a difference. If you can hang on till the next year and that's better for you tax-wise, I don't know, your situation, you might want to explore that. If you're having a really bad year and you both agree that divorce is ultimately where you're headed, maybe it's financially beneficial to go ahead and get divorced in the year around the holidays. It may make for not a great memory, but if you've got time off from work during that time, you can use it in a constructive fashion and start the year off fresh, and maybe this final act of cooperation could turn things around. But in any event, it is a real thing. You end up spending attorney's fees for bankruptcy, you end up spending attorney's fees for divorce, and while some of the paperwork may be consistent and you can fill it out all together, it really can leave a sour taste in your mouth going into the beginning of the year, and some of it may be able to be avoided.